Alright, this is BMX Andy 1994. I'm doing a bike check here, starting up on the back with a stolen roulette rim with eastern spokes and an eastern birectional hub. 19th driver, I have it on left-hand drive. Bullet valve cap, animal rim strips, animal ASM 2.10, Shadow Conspiracy little one peg. On the seat, it's an animal stitch pivital with a united pivotal seat post. Other side, I have a Shadow Conspiracy screen sprocket with stock cranks, stolen thermalite pedals, stock bottom bracket. Moving on, I got ODI long neck grips. The only thing I got to complain from these is that I don't know why, but they made them shorter than the other ones. The other ones were like up to here. And ODI long neck, not long, ODI Barnes. Then I got primo mustache bars with a 6.0 sticker, a Rogue Status gun show sticker. Then Shadow Conspiracy Strike FL stem with a Sputnic headset. Moving on is stock fork with monster stickers on both sides. A Shadow Conspiracy little one peg. Shadow Conspiracy Raptor hub guard, I believe. Then another stolen roulette rim with the hub, also the same. Shadow Conspiracy Belter 2.10. And the frame, I just got it like on Friday, I think. It's a Cardinal Cantero 21.25 top tube. And yeah, it's really light. I really like it. Now it weighs like 24 pounds. Before it weighed like 26. And this is the hub sound. Hold on. So yeah, that's the whole bike check. So comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks.